Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. So in this video, I'm going to give you a close-up look at these lights that were sent out to me by VIFLY. These are the Neo2Beam lights. So as you guys can see, they are amazing quality. Let me show you around these lights a little bit. So if you look here on the side, you can see where the USB is located for charging the lights. If you look at the front here, now you should be able to see where the actual LED emitters are. And as you see, they are inside, so you don't have to worry about them bumping into anything or too many things being able to hit them. On this side, you're going to find your power button for turning them on and off. And then you also have lights underneath these, which are going to be for landing lights. So I just wanted to do a really close-up look at these lights for those who may not have seen them, or in my previous video it was a little bit more difficult for you guys to be able to see these up close. So that's what we're doing here today, is showing you guys what these lights actually look like. Let me see if I can focus in here a little bit tighter. I am using a macro lens, so I'm just focusing manually just so you guys can kind of see what's going on. So hopefully this video is going to be helpful for those who still have questions about these lights. I think you're going to really enjoy them. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.